how to post on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to post on Pinterest. Let's get started. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your device, and when you're on the home page, look for the Create option represented by a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and select Pin here. Now you can choose photos or videos from your gallery. Pick the photo you want and click on the next button at the top. Here you can write a title for your pin and add a description about it. Once you are satisfied, click on the Create at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a moment and your pin will be published. Now to view it, click on the View option or go to the profile icon below. Click on it and click on Pin. Here you will find the pins you have just uploaded. There you have it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.